Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to find your park car on Google Maps for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First step, you must do it. You can fix your location is on. And after you go to the location turn on, you can go to the maps application that you have been to install it before. And the second thing you must do it, you mark your parking if you want to leave your car. And especially like this, I leave my car in here, so I click this point here and I click on the save parking. Okay, and after that, if you want to see or find your parking, you just to click the mark here and you can click the direction. Parking location here you can see, and you can click the direction, so the maps can to be direct you to be find your car. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to find your park car on Google Maps for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.